Even if it's not spicy, I should say it's spicy or...
I'll make spicy, I'll make you die, that's it.
Wow! Very dangerous!
See, I'm from Andhra.
So, even I'm from...
You're from
Tamil Nadu, but... Hi guys, welcome back to WC Muchatlu. So, ee roju manam spicy challenge, spicy noodles challenge both unnam. ఈ రోజు మనం స్పైసీ నూడిల్స్ ఛాలెంజ్ చేయబోతున్నాం. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇంటు ది వీడియో.
Let's get into the video. ఈరోజు మొత్తం వీడియో ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే జేఎస్టీ ఛానల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కాబట్టి ఇంకా మనం కూడా ట్రై చేద్దాం. ఒకవేళ ఇంగ్లీష్ బాగానే ఉంది అనుకుంటే మనం ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే కంటిన్యూ అయిపోదాం. ఇంగ్లీష్ కాంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్ జయశ్రీ, పార్ట్ టైం క్లీనర్ కూడా, పార్ట్ టైం ప్లంబర్.
What we are gonna do is like I'm gonna cook separately and he's gonna cook separately. So I can put whatever spice I want. Like it's my own wish. I can put lots and lots of spice. So he's gonna try. I'm not gonna try.
Pedda planning pedda planning
So also he can do whatever he wants to do. It's own dish. Like it's
I'm gonna show you how great I am.
strong ones.
Get afraid of fire.
Yes.
So Jayashree completed her cooking and it's our turn.
Cooking of my effects.
Yeah,
effects of my cooking.
Jayashree's cooking. So first thing we're going to do is we should just boil the noodles. So we'll add these noodles into the water and we'll boil. Aisha's speed sister.
Tunic taratata tunic taratata tunic.
He is not able to do anatomy in anatomy lab. Instead of that, he is doing here.
The only thing we learn after coming to Georgia. Okay.
That's true.
Your noodles is spicy.
I don't know actually. I was thinking about you. Okay. The moment of fact that is like somehow you are my friend. Somehow. So I should save you, right? So even you have to save me.
Oh.
You should not go with more spice.
Covering, this is called covering. I guess she don't know like I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
He don't know that I'm from Tamil Nadu, Chennai Ponnu. Hybrid pilla. Andhra plus Tamil Nadu cross hybrid pilla.
ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, తర్వాత మాట్లాడుకుందాం.
Really, I'm a hybrid pilla.
Let's see in your cooking.
Oh my god, I should put more spice. No, I'm not from Andhra now. I'm from. I'm from football.
Huh?
So, football is a country, new country, like she invented.
I'm about to be professional, homie. I'm professional.
Guys, Muchatlu is having more brain, I guess.
I think this much is enough for Tamil girl.
You can put more also, it's fine.
So we're done with boiling noodles and we are gonna go further.
I think in Andhra he was doing fast food shop. He was working in fast food shop. There's health food.
What the f?
For doing like this, you don't need to work at fast food center.
Acha. We have to come
At
to
least we
Georgia.
can eat every day in fast food center. We can know all this.
See guys, he is a proper cooker. Acha.
Now
Andhra skills.
we'll add all the spices.
Arey.
So you want in Andhra style?
Anything is fine.
Okay. Yeah, it's done. So this is mine, and
This is what which I made.
let's see who made it more spicy. She'll eat and she'll tell me.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh god. My spicy baby! It was spicy.
The moment of truth.
Actually, it's not. A bit spicy. It's not that spicy, but the spike is like, it's like doing this spike, like
Oh.
you have to complete it.
Yeah.
Try yourself once.
I got habituated with that place.
Shit!
Vijayawada. Let's taste her food.
It's not spicy. It is.
శివాజీ కాఫీలో గోమూత్రాలు కలిపారా నన్ను చంపాలని చూస్తున్నారా
Keeping spices right. Too salty.
Too salty. Oh my god. Hey, let me.
200 grams noodles, 500 grams salt.
It's not spicy because of that chili.
I didn't say it's spicy.
It's salty. Okay, eat this completely.
We can rename this challenge like salty noodles challenge. No, salty versus spicy noodles challenge.
But it's spicy too. It's not spicy.
What? No.
I'm sweating, right?
So we won. Iblis Muchatlu. You can be proud of me. We won.
So guys, because of its challenge, I made like that. Orange.
In spicy challenge, you'll add more salt. Wow. Very good. Hey, record the reaction.
Okay.
It's spicy or it's tasty?
To be honest, the thing is actually, it's very tasty. But the moment of fact, it's very spicy. I can't even hear, like, you know, my ear is like tintiness, like it's like ring. I can hear some ringing sound inside my ears. My nose like become watery. Eyes too. Tongue, it's done.
So-called hybrid girl.
Hybrid villa. But still, I can manage like up to this actually. But I
She
lost.
lost.
I lost the game. But the
Yeah.
winner is Tbilisi Mushatlu.
Me.
Yeah, be proud of him. Be proud of me too. Why? Because I'm eating his food. So guys, don't forget
Delicious noodles I've ever had in my entire life.
You'll never eat it again.
No.
If this video hit 50 likes, we will do another challenge again together.
Not
and also,
challenge, like we'll do like Chennai biryani style and Chennai, right?
yeah, it's also a challenge.
Yeah.
We'll
Tamil
do-
Nadu biryani and
Versus Hyderabadi biryani challenge.
Hyderabad.
Andhra biryani. Andhra.
Hyderabadi biryani versus Andhra biryani and
What?
oh,
If we hit 50 likes, we will do another challenge. Tamil Nadu biryani versus Andhra biryani. So that like, please comment below if you want this challenge and also like, share, subscribe
subscribe to Jai Shri Kanama's YouTube.
subscribe to Tbilisi Muchatlu.
Okay, sign off. Take care. Bye bye. Done.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கும்